What is up, guys? Day 99. Let's check the weight. 231.8 pounds. That's pretty good. Let's go get some food. What's up, guys? It's 8:20. I got breakfast here. 5 eggs with a tablespoon of butter. Looking delicious. And I got some mango juice right here. And I'll probably eat half a slice of bread. In total, this meal should be around 400 calories. What's up, guys? It's 7:52. Had some delicious ramen earlier. I gotta be honest with you, that was fantastic. Not sure how many calories it is, to be honest. After rewatching the video, I'll check it. It's this many calories. And I also got a built puff bar here. This is the strawberry flavor. And this tastes delicious. Get the lighting right. Look at that. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like mochi. 150 calories for 17 grams of protein. So guys, it's currently 8:29. Cooking up the next meal right here. It's gonna be a classic meal. I'm gonna be putting together a grilled cheese sandwich here. I already got the bread toasted. I'm gonna put 4 slices of pepper jack cheese. Should be 400 calories right here. And then 240 calories for 1 bun. So 480 calories for bread. And then some Simply Peach juice. 100 calories for 8 ounces. So yeah, in total this meal should be around 1,000 calories. Well, I just came to the gym. It's closed. Closed at 7 p.m. It's 11 o'clock right now. Oh look, there's a guy showing up right now. The parking lot is empty. Probably head back on home, eat some more food. I'll catch you guys later. What's up, guys? I have roughly 1,000 calories left. So I'm eating around 40 grams of peanut butter. Maybe I can do 100. There we go, it's 92 grams. Alright, so 100 grams is all I needed. Today I ate around 4,000 calories with around 200 grams of protein. Here's the carbs and the fat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.